we're back to show you a brand new floor plan from Smith Douglas Homes. It's a ranch plan called the Pearson.
Are you ready? Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
So as soon as you walk into the home, you're hit with this spacious kind of entryway, and to the front of the home we have 2 bedrooms along with a full bathroom. Owners will love coming home to find a convenient mudroom and laundry room just off the attached 2-car garage entry to maximize organization and storage.
Wow, Smith Douglas really got this floor plan right. It is so open and spacious.
It is, from that dedicated dining room space to the enormous kitchen. And there's an island too, and pendants, which are an option if somebody would like to add those things. So you could have that as a breakfast bar sit-up, or for somebody that would prefer an eating with a table, that would be an option too.
It's really incredible how much you can get for the price. It's only $215 is where this home starts, is that right?
That's right. While we do offer this floor plan in several of our communities across the Southeast, the community that we're in today, the base price starts just a little over $200,000.
Wow, there's so many unexpected luxuries for right around that price.
That's right. Flowing on from the kitchen, we then go into our light and airy family room.
I love this family room that's got the high ceilings, all of the windows bringing in all of that light, and it looks like even back there's a little porch on the back.
That's right, there is in this particular model, and there's also a separate entrance around the back into the owner's suite.
All right, well, I definitely want to see that. Wow, Claire, this primary suite is incredible. It's huge.
Isn't this a great space? Located to the rear of the home for maximum privacy and the best views of the rear yard. It's also separated away from the 2 additional bedrooms in this floor plan.
And what about the closet, Claire?
It is a great space, as is the bathroom. And in this particular floor plan, we have a separate bathtub, shower, and dual vanity. We do offer this floor plan at the base configuration, so people can really personalize that home and add the options and upgrades that are important to them.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for showing me today. And the Pearson model you can actually come and see in Rome, Georgia, but it is going to be offered at a variety of Smith Douglas homes around the metro Atlanta area. To find out more, you can always go to their website, smithdouglas.com, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.